Car insurance in Japan is an essential part of owning and driving a vehicle, and navigating the system can feel like a journey in itself. Japan has one of the most regulated and structured automotive insurance markets in the world, reflecting the country's meticulous approach to safety, legal compliance, and consumer protection. The system is divided mainly into two types: mandatory insurance, known as Jibaiseki, and voluntary insurance, commonly referred to as nini-huken. The mandatory insurance is legally required for every vehicle on the road and ensures that basic liability coverage is available for bodily injury or death resulting from a traffic accident. It is relatively standardized, and the premiums are often lower because coverage limits are fixed by law. However, while it covers injuries to third parties, it does not cover property damage or repair costs for your own vehicle, which is where voluntary insurance comes into play. Voluntary insurance is highly customizable, allowing drivers to cover property damage, liability beyond statutory limits, collision damage, and even theft or fire. This flexibility is what attracts the majority of car owners to invest in both types of insurance to ensure comprehensive protection. Understanding the cost structure of car insurance in Japan is crucial for anyone considering driving there. Premiums are influenced by a variety of factors, including the type and age of the vehicle, the driver's age and experience, the location of registration, and the driving history of the policyholder. Small K cars, which are extremely popular due to their affordability and low fuel consumption, typically have lower premiums, whereas luxury or high-performance vehicles incur higher costs. Urban areas, particularly densely populated cities like Tokyo and Osaka, may attract higher premiums due to higher accident rates and theft risk, while rural areas generally enjoy lower rates. Drivers under 25 often face significantly higher premiums, reflecting statistical risk, but insurance companies frequently provide discounts for safe driving records, use of anti-theft devices, and participation in defensive driving courses. Premiums are usually paid annually, but some insurers allow semi-annual or monthly payment options, often with small administrative fees added for installment plans. Japanese insurance companies also have extensive data systems that calculate risk with precision, which can result in premium adjustments mid-policy based on claims history or vehicle modifications. The benefits of Japanese car insurance go beyond mere legal compliance. For drivers, insurance offers peace of mind and financial protection. In the event of an accident, even minor collisions, insurers typically provide roadside assistance, towing services, and emergency support, which is particularly valuable given Japan's busy highways and narrow urban streets. Comprehensive insurance plans also cover natural disasters, such as typhoons, floods, or earthquakes, which are common in certain regions. This aspect is especially significant because repair costs can escalate quickly in the aftermath of such events. Beyond physical coverage, many insurers offer additional perks such as rental car reimbursement while your vehicle is being repaired, personal injury protection for the driver and passengers, and coverage for damages to other vehicles or property caused by uninsured or underinsured motorists. Some premium policies include legal consultation and representation, which can be a lifesaver in complex accident disputes where liability may be contested. However, it is important to note the limitations and potential downsides. One of the challenges drivers face is the paperwork and language barrier. Policies are often in Japanese, and understanding the fine print is crucial to ensure the coverage matches the intended protection. Misunderstanding terms such as collision coverage limits, liability caps, and deductible amounts can result in unexpected out-of-pocket costs. Additionally, insurance fraud, while not rampant, is something the system must contend with, and companies may require thorough documentation before approving claims, which can delay compensation. Another consideration is cost management. Voluntary insurance can become expensive if not carefully tailored to the driver's needs. Overinsuring a small vehicle may provide negligible benefit compared to the extra premiums, whereas underinsuring a high-value car can expose the owner to significant financial risk in the event of a major accident or natural disaster. Comparing multiple providers and seeking professional advice can help mitigate these risks and ensure that drivers are neither underprotected nor overpaying. Performance of Japanese insurance providers is generally high, reflecting the country's reputation for efficiency, reliability, and technology adoption. Claims are processed systematically, and many companies now offer digital platforms for policy management, claims submission, and even AI-assisted damage assessment through uploaded photos. Customer service is typically responsive, although service quality can vary between local and international insurers. Companies like Tokyo Marine, Sompo Japan, and Mitsui Sumitomo have long-standing reputations for reliability, while global players such as Allianz and AIG also operate in the Japanese market, offering tailored packages for expatriates or foreign-registered vehicles. The competition among insurers benefits consumers by providing various options, from budget-friendly basic plans to premium packages loaded with extras, ensuring that drivers can find a plan that matches their risk tolerance and financial capacity. Considering the exterior and interior aspects of vehicles in relation to insurance is another critical angle. In Japan, vehicle condition and specifications significantly affect premiums. Cars with high repair costs, imported parts, or rare models can lead to elevated insurance fees because the cost to restore or replace parts is higher. Conversely, standard domestic models with widely available replacement parts tend to be cheaper to insure. Insurers also evaluate safety features such as airbags, collision avoidance systems, anti-lock brakes, and reinforced frames, rewarding vehicles with modern safety technology through reduced premiums. Interior condition matters too. Vehicles that are well-maintained inside and out signal lower overall risk to insurers, particularly regarding accidental damage to the cabin or electronic systems. Some insurers even offer lower rates for cars equipped with GPS tracking or dash cams, which can assist in accident verification and claims disputes. This connection between vehicle care and insurance cost encourages owners to maintain their vehicles meticulously, enhancing safety and resale value simultaneously. From a financial perspective, the Japanese car insurance landscape emphasizes value and long-term planning. While premiums can appear high, particularly for younger drivers or luxury cars, the coverage often saves considerable sums in case of accidents. Accident repair costs, medical expenses, legal fees, and third-party damages can easily surpass the annual insurance premium, making comprehensive insurance a cost-effective safeguard. Many insurers also offer no-claims discounts, which reward drivers who maintain a clean accident record over multiple years with reduced premiums. This system incentivizes safe driving and responsible vehicle ownership, contributing to Japan's low road fatality rates compared to global standards. Furthermore, insurance policies can be combined with automobile loans or leasing arrangements, simplifying payment schedules and ensuring that both financing and protection are synchronized. Drivers should also be aware of government incentives or regulations that might influence insurance pricing, such as mandatory inspections, shaken, or environmental policies targeting fuel efficiency and emissions, which can indirectly affect premiums. The social and cultural aspects of car insurance in Japan are also noteworthy. Insurance is not merely a financial instrument. It is intertwined with legal responsibility, social etiquette, and community standards. Japanese drivers tend to be highly conscientious about reporting accidents promptly, following procedure, and maintaining courteous communication with other parties, in part because the insurance system emphasizes accountability and transparency. Roadside assistance, repair shops, and insurers operate with structured protocols to ensure minimal disruption and equitable resolution. The emphasis on preventative safety and meticulous documentation creates an environment where drivers feel both supported and obliged to drive responsibly. Furthermore, the insurance industry in Japan has embraced technology and innovation, offering telematics-based policies that monitor driving behavior, eco-driving discounts, and smartphone apps that provide real-time alerts and accident support, reflecting the country's commitment to integrating insurance with broader automotive and technological trends. It is also critical to examine potential losses and risks associated with car insurance in Japan. Even with coverage, policyholders may face deductibles or limits that affect reimbursement. For example, natural disasters, while often covered under comprehensive policies, may involve specific clauses or additional premiums. In some cases, disputes over fault or accident circumstances can lead to partial or delayed compensation. Additionally, drivers with frequent claims or a history of traffic violations may encounter increased premiums or policy cancellation. While rare, fraud and misrepresentation can further complicate claims processing. Understanding these risks highlights the importance of carefully reading policy documents, consulting with insurance agents, and maintaining proper vehicle documentation, including registration, inspection certificates, and maintenance records. Awareness of these details ensures that the financial protection offered by insurance truly aligns with the expectations and needs of the policyholder. For expatriates or foreign drivers, navigating car insurance in Japan requires special attention. International driving permits or foreign licenses may require additional documentation.